Item number 50, Officer Wayne Clark, customer Keller Photo, case number CEFAW 2018000033.
Good evening.
Hi,
Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
I'm Meijing Exenor, and then my dad owned the property. I'm the daughter.
Okay.
I,
Wayne Clark, City of North Miami Code Compliance. The property was serviced with proper notification on April 18, 2018 for the hearing tonight. I did talk to the owner, her father. I've been keeping in contact with him since last week, and he unfortunately wasn't able to make it. That's why she's here representing the property. And I did ask him, did he have any paperwork to produce in reference to the insurance claim? And he said he did have some type of document that would suffice in reference to giving him more time to correct a fence that was damaged by vehicle. Today it's the same condition, and I'd like to let her take the floor and explain exactly what's going on.
all right, so, I was sleeping. It happened like at 4.
No, not that.
What?
With the claim.
Oh, okay.
With the documents or anything he's gotten so
Okay,
far from the last hearing in reference to,
All right, all I know is that we are getting it fixed. We got the paper, and then the man who was supposed to fix it, he came yesterday. He was looking at what needed to be fixed and everything. It's right here.
okay, let me see
Okay,
that.
show it to the officer.
All right, and yeah.
What I'm seeing here is Exhibit 1 and 2, an invoice for an estimate for the repair, and a letter from Geico in reference to the accident. This happened on February 18, 2018. They're asking for additional information, provide us with an estimate, okay, and then a photo, okay. So here's an estimate from the fence company. I'd like to submit for the record. And also, I would like to recommend 30-day.
All right. All right, ma'am.
All right,
Let's
thank you.
reset for 30 days.
Yeah.
Thank you. Then, okay, give it back. You can give it back to her. All right.
Item number 52, Officer Edmund Fitzel, customer Leonidas Ramos, case number CEBPR 20170081. And Officer Rahima Golden will be taking over.
You said 5-2.
Yes.
Do you have a copy of 5-2? I have it.
Maylee Ramos, property owner.
1 second.
Mhm.
Yeah, I do. Anybody have 52?
Yes.
Thank you. 2 pages? Thank you. Good evening. Please
Good
state your
evening.
full name and relationship to the property.
Maylee Ramos, property owner.
All right, thank you.
City of North Miami, Officer Rahima Golden, Code Compliance. I am hearing this case for Officer Edmund Fitzel. This case was cited for building without a permit. I did go into the computer this evening and see that they did pull a permit, or they did submit for a permit for first floor kitchen and bathroom remodel. At this time, it is still in review. There are only comments from plumbing and electrical, so it still needs to go to a couple of other disciplines before they're given the comments to make any changes. So the city is recommending that they get an additional 30 days.
Oh, well, actually, we were under the impression that it was going to be closed. That's what the officer Fitzel had told us, that he was closing the case since we had already submitted all the plans to the city. We presented for the permits. The only thing that the city changed, we had originally submitted for plumbing separate from building, and Officer Fitzel wanted building to be submitted. So we went ahead and we submitted that, and the city was just waiting for the general contractor's license and workers' compensation information, as well as a tax ID, so that they could go ahead and approve the permit. So we went ahead and we submitted that on Monday. We were told on Friday, and we submitted it on Monday. We're just waiting for them to let us know when to pick it up. So we were hoping to close this since we have a list of the permits that we've submitted, which is 8 permits that we went ahead and we pulled already. Other than that, there's nothing else to come.
You submitted 8 permits, I only have 3.
Yeah, no, I have the list here. Sometimes the property doesn't come up when you do the search. You have to enter it a certain way for all the permits to come up. It's happened to me before. Because I freaked out one time that I went in and I only saw 3
That's-
permits. I was like, what's going on with it? And then I called the city. They told me, oh, no, you have to enter it a certain way for the permits to come up. I
Yeah,
could
but
show
that's
you
only,
this.
yeah, come, that's fine.
Except for the last one, 'cause that one is- that's from 2006. These are all-
We already got the final on air conditioning.
Say that again?
We already got the final on air conditioning and everything is.
Right, okay, so this particular case was cited for obtaining building permit. It says, building permits required, obtain permits for all work being done. So in order for us to close this case, once you've obtained all of your permits, then we can close the case. We can't close it just because you've submitted. Once you've picked up your permits, then we can say, yeah.
Okay, and we were hoping that we closed this since the city, all that they needed was basically the last information for the general contractor, so
But-
that they could go ahead and
So
release the
once-
The
permit.
main, I'm
Go
sorry.
ahead.
The main permit that, from what I can see, what I need is the building permit, which is the one for the kitchen and the
Yeah,
bathroom
That's the one
remodel.
we submitted the general contractor's license
Okay.
and workers'
All
comp
right.
for. Yeah.
Okay, so that might clear up, in the weeks to
So
come.
the 30,
correct?
so that's why I suggested the 30 days.
So let's table it for 30 days. Once you receive it, inform the officer, and then she will confirm it, and then she will remove it from the calendar, because then you're in compliance,
Thank you.
okay?
Okay.
That way you guys don't have to come back,
Yeah,
okay?
okay.
All right, thank you. You're welcome. Oh, that was so sweet. That was for me. That- So sweet.
Item number 54, Officer Wayne Clark, customer Lorette Delfonse. Case number CEFAW 20180012.
I think I dumped everything out. I need to go back and find them.
You need my help?
Because you're asking me for stuff that I dumped it out. You don't need it? 5-4?
Yes.
Wayne Clark City, North Miami Code Compliance. The property was posted on April 18th, 2018, with proper notification for the hearing tonight.
I'm gonna.
And this is in reference to, I think this has already been heard, yeah. This is in reference to a damaged chain link fence at the front of the property. To date, it has not, they made an attempt to do something, but it's not sufficient enough. It's actually what they did was bent the pole back down, the damaged pole in the down position, but they actually need to just replace the top main pole, and it'll be fixed. This is the first time I've seen the gentleman or anyone claiming the property. I'd like to submit the photos for the record showing the prior photos from last hearing and the updated photos taken today.
All right, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Please state your full name for the record.
My first, Luc Dessieux.
All right, Luc Desure. What's your relationship to this property? You said 54, right?
I am the owner, father-in-law.
Okay, all right. He's the father-in-law.
Let me ask you something. Do they still, is this the same family that stays out of town that owns that
Yes,
house?
yes.
Oh, okay. I remember from years ago.
By the way, yesterday we give a down payment. We have a receipt. I hope we will be, if we have a 30-day, we will.
For
that
the
will be-
fence?
Fence, that will be done on the weekend.
Oh, so you got documentation for estimate or something for a fence company to repair? Okay, well, I'd like to submit the photo for the record anyway, and then we can continue with that.
All right. Show it to him.
Yeah, this is it.
That was,
That the fence right here.
right, that was on March 23rd, and this is how it looks today, the fence?
Yeah, this is it, yeah.
Let me see.
Okay. All right.
He's produced invoice from Leon Fence.
Okay.
Uh,
And you said you already gave a deposit?
Yes.
Okay.
I get a receipt for the deposit.
Okay. How long did he say he
Oh.
needs to fix it?
You will be fixing it Friday.
He will come in. Okay. It
After
looks like
tomorrow.
it's
well, hold on, wait a minute now.
okay.
Let me help you out here. You might want to revisit this estimate.
Yeah, I was there yesterday.
No, I'm telling you, you might want to let them know that you don't need all this, what they're charging you for here. You don't need all this work done. All you need to do is change the top pole. That's it. Not the whole fence. You got to estimate to
He's
replace
gonna change the
52
whole thing.
feet of fence.
Except the poles.
Huh?
He's going to take the whole thing except the poles.
That's up to you. You want to spend that
Yeah.
type of money, but what I'm
We
saying
want to do
is,
it like
all
that.
I ask for you to do is just fix the top pole. That's why I ask people to contact us prior to the hearing, so we can kind of give you guidance on what it is that we need taken care of. You know, he's going to replace parts of the fence you don't even need to replace. So I'm just saying, as a heads up, you might want to let them know you don't need all this work done. Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Because as you can see in the photos, the only thing that is damaged is the
That the
top pole.
top.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you. Yeah, there's this.
Right. But if you look at the pictures, it's only the top pole.
Show it to him in the back and make sure he understands. I don't know if he does. All right. All right, sir.
Thank
I'm
you.
giving you 30 days,
Yes,
okay?
thank you.
And if it's fixed, you can talk to the officer and he'll take it off calendar.
I sure will.
Good
Thank
luck to you.
you. Thank you.
Okay.
Item number 61, Officer Ernst Baptiste, customer Marie Frecker. Case number CEGMP 2018-000069.
Good evening. Please
Good
state your
evening.
full name and relationship to the property.
Yes, my name is Marie Fikir and I'm the owner,
Thank you.
but I'm going to let my son explain the procedures here.
All right, son, what is your name?
My name is Alex Vaquero, number resident.
Thank you.
Ernst Baptiste, City of Miami Code Enforcement Officer. This is a case that was open for the roof and the exterior of the wall of the property. Property was posted April 19, 2018. Today I passed by, took picture yesterday.
Yes, no problem.
Yeah, that is it.
Okay, give it to him. All right. Okay. So we're only dealing with the roof, we're not dealing with the,
And the exterior of
Huh?
the wall.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, sir?
Yes. The reason those things are like that is because the hurricane hit and it damaged the roof and it damaged a portion of the back of the house. And it destroyed our paint job too. But we are currently in litigation with the insurance company, and our lawyer provided us an amended complaint so you guys can see. Should I show him or enter it or whatever?
You can show it to him and
Yes.
he'll pass it on.
And I spoke to him before, and I told him what was going on too. I called him and I spoke to his supervisor, and I spoke to him and told him what was going on, and told him we were having an issue with the insurance company.
Well, they have filed. Okay.
I thought he was even gonna call us back to speak to us, because I could have swore we had a conversation where we were gonna speak, and I was gonna show you these things so you would understand that we needed more time. We went to the attorney last week, and he conveyed to us that it was gonna take maybe 3 to 6 months for us to conclude.
How long?
Probably close to September, October.
They put a new top also on.
And then there was a problem with the tarp, but we had them replace the tarp. So we're currently waiting on the insurance and our lawyer to get together and do depositions and all that, because we're still at that stage. We're not even like close to being through with it.
City?
You know, when it's case like that, I don't mind giving time, but the reason it's need to be done here, because I cannot give 6 months or 3 months. They need to come here and show progress, show the steps. So
All right, so let's do 90 days for now.
Okay.
The city wanted to add something? Okay. Let's do 90 days for now, and then let's come back and see where we are with the suit, with the complaint.
Okay.
And if you guys need more time, then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
All right.
Okay,
All right.
thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
Item number 63, case number CEB PR 2018-00008. Owner is Mario Frazil. The officer is Rahima Golden.
Good evening, sir. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
My name, I'm sorry. My name is Gerard Giordani. I'm an agent on behalf of the owner of Builder.
Okay.
City of North Miami Officer Rahima Golden, Code Compliance. This property was originally, excuse me, originally cited back in March 19th of 2018. I've been in communication with this gentleman here. And I don't know, have you picked up the permit yet?
No, we are waiting. The people we evicting, they're leaving this weekend, so we have to go inside to do the sketching. So I
Okay.
didn't submit it yet.
So I know that they have a permit that was approved for the work that they began in the home. They did stop the work, and as he said, that they're in the process of evicting the tenants that are renting at the time. So the city is recommending giving them some time. I would say maybe 60 days.
All right, sir. 60 days?
If we finish before that, we can stay in communication. It should be.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
All
it.
right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Item number 71, Officer Ernest Baptiste, customer Natasha Sulerker. Case number CEGMP 2018-00093.
Good evening, ma'am. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Natasha Suruk, 145 Northwest 120 Street.
Okay.
Ernest Baptiste, City of Miami Code Enforcement Officer. It's a case that was open for the roof that need to be repaired and to remove the blue top. Case was posted on April 19, 2018. I took picture yesterday.
Yes, I know. I know. Yes. I know, but I was calling to give me 1 month, but I think the insurance gonna help. But the insurance slowly, it can help. I need like 90 days because I don't want to say 6 months and come in and say, oh, he's not, because it's a lot of process.
So you filed a claim with the insurance company?
Yeah, I filed, but they don't want to help me, but I don't know what to do. Now I have to take a lawyer, everything. Maybe give me 90 days.
Is this from Hurricane Irma?
Yes.
Okay. All right. We're
But
hearing a
if
lot
you,
of these,
if
right?
you know somewhere I can have some help in the city, it will be a good help because the insurance doesn't.
Is FEMA still taking claim
FEMA only give me $500.
for a whole roof?
Did they come out and check your house?
No, they didn't.
Yeah.
All right. Talk to the officer and he can refer you to community planning development.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'll table it. I give the other parties 90 days.
Thank
Give her
you.
90 days. You're trying to work things out with the city and insurance company.
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Baptiste. August 1st. Item number 73, Officer Rahima Golden, customer Nixa Serrano. Case number CODS 2018-00017.
What's the number?
73.
Good evening. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Ephraim Serrano, husband of Nixa Serrano,
All right. thank
homeowner.
you. Okay.
City of North Miami Minimum Housing Officer Rahima Golding. Okay, so this case you tabled last month, and they were supposed to have removed the grill that was sitting in front of the home, as well as some other junk, and I'm sorry to call something, and other properties, some household items, and also some. It looked like car materials on the property. They moved the grill to the other side of the house. So he and I came to an agreement that he will at least buy a nice cover, because where it is, it's fine as long as there's a cover over it. But he still has a lot of work to do on the property in terms of clearing out other items.
Okay. What's going on?
Well, I did clean some of it and had to close one of my storages, and I filled it right back up again, but it's being cleaned out. But I was on the road for 10 days. I'm a transporter, so I'm on the road for many hours. I'll be back at it again this weekend to clean up.
You think you'll be done in the next couple of weeks?
Yes, couple weeks, yes.
All right. So you want to give him 30 days?
I'm in agreement with that.
All right, we're giving you 30 days. Don't come back here next month and tell me another story now. Let's try to get it done. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Item number 79, Officer Ernst Baptiste, customer Pierre D. Rye. Derry. Case number CEGMP 2018-00102.
Good evening, sir. Please state your full name and relationship to the property.
Good evening. My name is Pierre Del. I'm the owner.
All right.
This same thing happened after the insurance. My roof was. Should I wait for him?
Yeah, because I don't know the story yet.
Oh,
Give him
okay.
an opportunity to present, and then I'll give you an opportunity to answer.
Ernst Baptiste, City of Miami Code Enforcement Officer. This is a case that was open for, again, roof repair, remove blue top. Property was posted on April 19, 2018. And the roof is still the same way with the blue top.
All right. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now you can talk.
Yeah. after the hurricane, so I called the insurance. They don't give me any money, so I'm hiring another public adjuster. So they negotiate with them. Now I called them last week when I received this letter. They told me that they have to take him to court or something like that. They're gonna send me a paper to sign to authorize them to take him to court. I'm still waiting for them. I don't know how long that's gonna be resolved. I don't wanna have the blue top in my house anyway.
I understand.
Yeah.
All right.
90 days.
So I'm giving you 90 days.
I think 90 days, I don't think that would be enough. I think at least 6 months.
Well, let's come back in 90 days and see where we are in the process, okay?
All right.
At least in the meantime, you push them and tell them that you have 90 days. They need to move it along, and let's see where we are in 90 days.
Okay, thank you.
All right, sir. Have a good evening. This is incredible.
Oh, can we go home now?
The insurance company take these people's money, but they don't want to pay up. Oh my God. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you. Have a good evening. Okay, a 2-minute recess so that our pregnant clerk here can take a break, stretch a little bit.
I'm gonna take a walk. Thank you.